If this feels like the one, it's probably the one. Some houses you see, but the special ones you feel. Welcome and welcome again. This is Marineta and this is Having Sphere. Today we're going to be taking you through this 3-bedroom all en suite BDSQ all size 173 square meters price 18.9 million. Let's talk about it. So when you enter this house, you're gonna see this beautiful good looking living room, yeah, with these bigger windows. So I mostly see that the interior doesn't even need my comment because you can tell the lesson. It looks so definitely so good. So I had to come look at this is beautiful. Look at this. So it feels like you're seeing here some like things that you collected somewhere. It looks so nice that the paintings looking so good. Okay, yeah, from there you have to go to the kitchen, yeah. We say that kitchen is where it's close to the heart, yeah. Stomach is close to the heart and stomach. Okay, anyway, let's go back to the so this is the kitchen. So this is really good for you, the banner really good for you, like the wardrobe can store some things for there. Yeah, back to the living room, yeah, you can have another bit, then go toward the bedroom. So this is a place where you can do this. This is the 3 bedroom. This is the washroom. So yeah, washroom has some mirrors that so getting back to the video, yeah, from that area you go to one of the bedrooms. Yeah, so you can have a shower there. So that's where you can have some guests on a bedroom. You can use that one from there as a common garden that you can use from that house. So this is the first bedroom over here. So yeah, I can find by this number. You can have guests in this bedroom. Yeah, go the wardrobe over here really good for you. You can look at it, looking so good, that bedroom over there. Yep. And how do you think about it? Big up windows, doing so much lighting to that place. Yeah, this is the bedroom, yeah, that's the best bedroom. That's why the wardrooms are outside so that you can share with anyone who is here. So these are the back to the living area. If you look at the bigger balcony, this living area is exposed to the balcony, and the balcony is giving much light to this living area. If you look at it, you can see the balcony. Remember, this is in Kilimani, yeah, Kilimani, Nairobi. Yeah, this is where people from each end streets. You can see the tree over here bringing some nice air, some birds chirping in the morning. You can see some birds chirping, singing to you, beautiful morning. Yeah, let's go back into the house. Yeah, you can see the balcony looking so good. That's Nairobi. Yeah, here is Nairobi. Yeah, this is on Gong Road. Yeah, Gong Road is Kilimani on Gong Road. Yep, from there let's get back in the house. This is the living area. Let's share some things so good. So let's go to some bedrooms now. Okay. Hey, this page looks so wow. Hey, this page, hey, is that you give your needs for someone? Yeah, okay, let's go to this bedroom. Remember this the bedroom, it has most of the bedrooms have a balcony. Yeah, because why not have a balcony in this bedroom? Yeah, this bedroom, the bed space in this bedroom is this number bedroom. Yeah, how is it? How do you think about it? Let's see, out of 10, how much are you giving it? Yeah, how much are you giving it? From there, there's the washroom over there, there's me over there, the wardrobe over here, yeah, the toilet there, already fixed for you. You just come and start using them. Yeah, but you can redecorate if you may wanna redecorate this house. But so far, so good. I like what I can see. That's the balcony. Yeah, it's the window plus balcony. From there, you okay. From there, you wanna see another bedroom here. Look at this is the washroom. Yep, next to the bedroom. You see, that's looking good. So this has some bigger windows to bring in some lights. I love the way they have done to these beautiful looking lights. They have incorporated so much different lights for this bedroom. This is now the third bedroom, because we started to the guest bedroom, we went to the master bedroom, and this is the third bedroom. Yeah, you can use it for maybe if you have some kids, you have a guest over there, you can have it. Yeah, I like the way it is. Bigger room already. This bedroom is looking good. So back to the living area. Yeah, and that's it for today. My name is Marinetta.